Oh, no. Don't tell me they've briefed Warner.
What's wrong with him?
Don't ask.
£3.
Hi. Hold these.
So you got that I haven't?
Tell you later.
I just might hold you to that.
I'm glad the Crown Prosecution's got a job for you, lads, because I think you've got a couple of hours to kill. There's an adjourned sentence and a trial on before us.
Trial's not happening. Someone's leaned on the defendant. He's going to plead.
Well, I wish someone would lean on our Mr. Jameson, then we could all go home.
He'd get credit, though, wouldn't he?
What?
Mr. Jameson. If he goes guilty, the judge won't come down on him so hard.
Fancy a fight to the death, do you, Stephen?
Just want to see him sweat.
I knew I'd got some.
What's that? Exhibit A?
Sticky labels for counsel. He can't seem to function unless he's got them to mark up his debts.
That's Exhibit A.
Can't believe it's someone's face.
Now enjoys a stable home life with his common law wife and 2 children aged 3 and 5. How can any woman enjoy a stable life with Gary Jameson? He's an animal.
I didn't write it.
Yeah, but you have to know what you're reading out, don't you? Hey, you've missed out his last drunk and disorderly. I had him for that. I was outside the afternoon pub back in May.
That was just a bind-over. The judge blows his top if you chuck in any BOs.
Nothing to be nervous of, lad.
I'm not nervous.
Just because the defence counsel's like some mad Rottweiler when roused.
Andy could see you fancied his girlfriend.
Leave it out.
We're starting.
Incredible.
And then we're stopping.
What?
David Warner's made an application for a trial within a trial.
Wrangling over some legal mumbo-jumbo, are they?
He wants Jameson's admissions in the police car ruled as unsafe to set before the jury.
See on about.
According to Jameson, he was forced into making those confessions. You were out to nail him. You didn't care how you did it.
Yeah, well, he would say that, wouldn't he?
Oldest trick in the book.
Yes, well, Warner thinks he's got enough to go on anyhow.
What's it mean exactly, this trial within a trial? Like all the witnesses are called, or what?
Not this time round, I'm afraid. He just wants the officers on the stand to give their evidence a good going over. Once we've opened the case, the jury goes out, the fun begins.
Just so he can look like Mr. Mastermind and we look like a bunch of bent PC plods.
What, like they think we duffed him up in the car, do they? I mean, where's the bruises? Did he have any bruises on him, Sarge? Wasn't a mark, was there, when he got to you?
I have to say it was very carefully done.
What?
PC 363 Loxton.
Shut up, will you, Phil?
But are you saying, Sarge, that
He's
you think...
kidding you, OK? So just shut up.
What time did you pass the entrance to Lassiter's den, officer?
At approximately 10:45.
Tell the court what you saw.
As we turned the corner into Armitage Street, I saw a disturbance taking place in the entrance to Lassiter's den. I stopped the car. I saw the defendant with his hands around a man's neck and he was smashing his head against a door pillar. The man fell to the ground and the defendant then kicked him several times to the body. He then looked in our direction and started to run off.
And what happened then?
I attended to the injured man while PC Loxton gave chase.
Just tell him what happened, that's all it takes.
I seem to have lost He seemed to have lost consciousness.
And that's all.
I'm sorry?
On a journey lasting 25 minutes. That's all he said.
I wouldn't say it was as long as 25 minutes.
Oh, wouldn't you?
No, I'd say it was about 12 to 15 minutes from Armitage Street to Sunhill, depending on the lights.
PC Loxton put it at 20 to 25.
Ah, no. Well, we had a slight hold-up.
Oh, did you?
Yes, Your Honour. Just past the corner of Lyndhurst Avenue near the children's playground, I spotted a girl having a bit of bother. I stopped the car and went to have a look. In the end, it turned out to be a bit of horseplay with a boyfriend.
Can you find an account of that incident in your contemporaneous note, officer?
Sorry?
I'd like you to show us a reference to that incident in your notes. Yes?
I don't seem to have a note of it.
I see.
Just didn't seem relevant.
And was there anything else that didn't seem relevant? For example, what actually happened in that police car on the way to the station? Did you feel that the threats made to my client during the course of that journey weren't relevant either?
No.
No, they weren't relevant. Is that what you're saying, officer?
No, I mean, no, they didn't happen.
What colour jacket was Mr. Finley's assailant wearing? Mr. Finley's assailant, what colour jacket was he wearing?
Grey, Your Honour.
You're sure about that?
Quite sure.
Thank you, officer. That's very helpful. No more questions.
I just told him we stopped for a couple of minutes.
What for?
Well, we saw that kid, remember, and she was lying on the ground.
Why did you tell him?
He kept on about the journey being so long and Jameson only saying 2 things.
Yeah, but you hadn't made a note of it, had you? It was a total cock-up,
He
wasn't
just
it?
got me going, that's all. Nothing I said sounded right.
Well, it was.
I suppose so.
What do you mean, I suppose so?
Oh, leave it out. You're sounding like him.
So, at no time while you were attending to the suspect, making him mugs of tea and sending out for cigarettes, do you remember an officer come into Mr. Jameson's cell and relieve himself in the toilet bowl in front of him?
No, Your Honour, certainly not.
But then you were not actually present in the cell, were you, when the arresting officer came to collect Mr. Jameson to take him away to the interview room?
No.
It was P.C. Loxton who came to collect my client, was it?
Yes, it was.
And would you agree that such a gesture would amount to a most blatant flouting of a suspect's rights?
I would indeed if it ever happened.
Oh, and are you sure that it didn't happen on this occasion, Sergeant?
Mr. Jameson made no complaint to me, Your Honour.
Not at the time, no. Possibly he was too shaken?
I'm sure that no officer in my charge would ever perform such an action.
No. Indeed. Now, perhaps you can just solve one mystery for us, Sergeant. According to the custody record, what was the colour of the jacket you removed from Mr. Jameson that night?
Blue, Your Honour.
I see.
I just don't like what happened in there.
You think I did, having that Pratt Warner running off at the mouth?
He made some very serious allegations about what happened when Jameson was in my care.
Yeah, and you believe Jameson, do you, Sarge?
I'd like to believe you, Loxton, but just at this moment, I can't.
There was a pack of lies in there, start to finish.
Was it?
What? I have to prove it to you, do I? I'm on trial or something?
All the time.
Just because Phil fell apart on the stand?
Oh, Phil did he?
Yeah, he even got the jacket colour wrong, just to help things along.
Look, I'm sure it was grey.
It was grey.
Oh, come on, Sarge, it was down in the custody record. Don't tell me Warner's made you throw that out the window and all.
From where he was standing, it was grey. That's what the streetlights would have done to it. But you weren't looking, were you? As soon as you saw it was Jameson, you had him banged to rights before you crossed the street.
You mean never arrest vicious drunks with a string of past cons, do you, Sarge? Give them the benefit, do we? Pat on the shoulder?
You can avoid having a pee in their cells anyhow.
The judge has thrown it out. Warner's application. He's letting the admission stand.
That's all right then, isn't it? Must have seen it was all a pack of lies. I mean, Jameson had no defence, did he?
Not if your identification of him was correct, no.
Well, the judge is saying he believes us, isn't he?
Yes, well, he's famous for preferring officers' versions of things, this judge. If it had been someone else on the bench, you might not have been so lucky.
Whose side's she on?
You won't be called until tomorrow now. You'll have to go through the whole thing again then.
Thank you.
Oh, well, at least it'll be for real.
It was for real just now.
Fit, are we?
Not really.
Well, what happened? Look, I just don't see the problem.
Don't you?
There was a load of mudslinging in there.
And some of it stuck.
Doesn't matter, does it, Sarge, about the poor sob with 3 cracked ribs and a face they never sewed back together. He doesn't come into this, does he?
No, he doesn't.